Greetings from the Pearsall Library at North Carolina Wesleyan College. The purpose of this brief tutorial is to show you, our students and faculty and staff, how you can access books and articles that we may not have available here at the library, but we can request them for you via Interlibrary Loan. So here we're on the Pearsall Library homepage, and you'll see a link right here that says Interlibrary Loan. You simply click that, and this provides you a little detail about our free service called Interlibrary Loan and how it works, about how many days it takes to request either a book or an article, who can use it, a few tips and suggestions. But again, and our contact information is right here. But if you have an article that you need to request and you're not able to locate it in our databases, simply click Request Article. You will fill in your information here at the top. Here you'll fill in the information regarding the article, the title of the journal, the volume issue, the date publication, etc., and hit submit. And again, allowing 2 to 7 business days for the article to be delivered to you. Or if you have a book that you want to request that we do not have here in the library, you simply click Book. Again, you fill in your contact information here, and you tell us the title of the book, the author, the year of publication, and what's called the International Standard Book Number, the ISBN number, and a little bit more information about it, and click Submit. And again, we will get this book for you, if at all possible, within 7 to 10 business days. We hope this tutorial has been beneficial for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us here at the Pearsall Library. Thank you.